Hello everybody, welcome to the railway again. Right, we've cleaned the track and I've put some locos on. Basically I went round everything with my little track cleaning cars that I've made. I've done in other videos. That one went round first and removed quite a considerable amount of rubbish off the track, and then I went round with that one with a bit of goo gun on, and you can see the state of that. Anyway, so I've put, like I say, I've put two locos on. I've put, first of all, a steam locomotive, Gadwall 4469, so we're going to get that going shortly. That's pulling a rake of 6 Pullman coaches. These are all the Hornby Railroad ones. There's nothing posh about them, there's no lights inside or anything like that, and obviously Gadwall's also the railroad version, but with TTS sound, and I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I really don't. I think it's a beautiful locomotive. Anyway, without further ado, we'll get some sound on. Get down a bit closer and watch her pull away. Pulls away lovely and smoothly. She goes round the back. There she comes into the station. There we go. That's Gadwall.